Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. It's commonly understood that warm air tends to rise when surrounded by cooler air. With that in mind, imagine a warm mixture of air and gasoline vapor hovering above an open container of gasoline. In a cooler environment, would you expect this warm gas mixture to rise? Summary: the gasoline molar mass is heavier than air. The gasoline-air mixture will settle down instead of rising. The in-depth explanation. The molar mass of the gasoline, C8H18, is 114 kilograms per kmol, which is much larger than the molar mass of air, that is 29 kilograms per kmol. Therefore, the gasoline vapor will settle down instead of rising if it is at much higher temperature than the surrounding air. As a result, the warm mixture of air and gasoline on top of an open gasoline container will most likely settle down instead of rising in a cooler environment. Now, before we leave, I highly recommend that you save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using Snipping Tool. If you never used Snipping Tool before, follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of Snipping Tool. Click on your icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in Snipping Tool, open up the program. Click on Video option, click on New. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the Start button in Snipping Tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in Snipping Tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.